Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas.
Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I am at Dunn's Electrical today. I'm checking out their home department to see what they have for the Christmas, all their Christmas decoration and all. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you love content like this, I share all things home related. So you can hit that subscribe button at the end and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy this video. See you at the end.
Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love. Compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love. Smile so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here. Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town. Everyone is inside. They're getting ready to eat. By the table, I keep one empty seat. For you're not here. What can I do? It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold you so close, never ever let go. We'll go walking and play around in the snow. We'll watch the sun go down, and then the moon appear. We'll eat mince pies and drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer like we just love to do. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now, through that creaky old door. I couldn't want for anything more. It would stop me feeling the mistletoe, we'll kisses while with you. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.